entering the contest. It's the first ever jalapeno pepperoni cake. Give 'em a hand.
Big bucks, no whammy.
All right, these folks are here. They're in for the money. $75 in downtown Parker bucks for first place, 50 for second, and 25 for third. And everyone else just gets to enjoy refreshing peppers. A couple of the folks at the table have already read the rules, but I'm going to go over them one more time. Each contestant will receive a bowl of fresh jalapeno peppers. They'll have 3 minutes in which to consume those. Only one pepper may be eaten during the first minute of the contest. So I want to make that clear. They have to eat one pepper for the first minute, and then after that, we'll let you know when that minute is up. Then as many as you can consume. There's a carton of milk in front of you. That's for after the 3 minutes. Anyone who sips their milk during that 3 minutes, they're disqualified. We do have little white flags on the table, so if somebody wants to bow out before the 3 minutes, there's a lump of clay and a white flag. Just stick that flag in there. We see someone's thrown the flag away already, so he's in it for the long haul. I do have some folks to thank before we get started here. John Roth provided the fire truck just in case we have any spontaneous combustion. We are prepared for those emergencies. Also, we have a nurse, Joanne. We have a nurse here just in case. And who else do we have here? I think, oh, the peppers, of course, the stars of the show. I want to thank a couple of our vendors, John Coons and Seth Kasinga, and the Gerst Family Farms provided the peppers. So we want to make sure we thank all those folks for providing us with the peppers tonight. And I have a whole list of facts, or health facts, that peppers provide. And I read through quite a few of them. The one that I found the most interesting was that chili peppers help soothe intestinal diseases. So keep that in mind during the 3 minutes.
I think it kills them, doesn't it?
Motivation. If you're suffering from intestinal disease, you've got the cure right in front of you.
Nothing else would dare.
So, with that, any questions from our panel of contestants here? Ready to go?
And I say, when I give you the high sign, it's the start. They can't wait the first minute.
Okay, so he's going to give me the high sign, which means you have to start on your first pepper and can't wait until the end of that minute. And the entire pepper, other than the stem, must be consumed in order for it to be counted. So you have to consume the entire pepper other than the stem. And then we will count the stem. So it's important not to eat the stem because that's how we're gonna find out if you're a winner or not. All right? Okay, on your mark. Hold on. This is our official timekeeper.
Oh, the suspense. The suspense.
All right, 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, let's cheer them on here. Give them a... Save that stem.
Go,
All right.
for a minute. Go for that minute. Savor it.
Is it bad, Jesus?
Savor it.
I think you should have been in there.
How much time in the first minute here? Are we 10 seconds into it?
No.
You're 20 seconds into it.
20 seconds into it. All right.
Nobody's looking bad yet.
All right.
How much more time, Steve?
25
25
seconds.
seconds left.
The suspense. Oh my.
Look those peppers over. A lot of good nutritional facts in there. Chili peppers, they fight inflammation. I'm not sure how that works, but the paper does not lie. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's hear it. Cheer them on. Come on. 2 minutes to consume as many peppers as possible.
The guy in the white's gonna do it. No way.
Oh! We got one out. She was in it for the milk.
Good job.
Keep going. There's a little sweat going on there.
But he did it. Good for him. He looks like he's riding a bike.
How are we doing over here? We've got 2.5 over here.
We got 5 here.
2 over here. Oh, here's the couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's on number 7 over here.
Wow.
How are we doing over here? One.
I could not do
We
that.
got a little
I
left on that one. I'd work that one over. He's in it for the money. I think you got some competition down here. This guy's catching up.
The barf bags are to your right, just in case.
You gotta keep it down.
You have to keep it down. They do have to keep it down. Can't restart.
You better give up on that one.
Oh, he's getting
Minute 20 left.
Oh, yeah.
Find the small ones.
That's mine. That's my choice.
But I thought maybe it was going to be.
Let's hear it for him. We got a minute 20. We got 1 more minute left.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he's done. He's done.
You want that flag back?
30 seconds.
He's done. Wow.
Who quit now?
The guy from yellow.
30 seconds. 30 seconds left.
God, the ends looking chubby down on here. He wants that money.
Hang in there.
Wow.
There's
He's just
flag
packing
back
them down
to your
the end here.
right, just in case you need it.
You can do it, Ryan.
He's suffering.
Push through it, Ryan.
Everybody,
Hey,
10,
Sis has 8.
10, 9, 8,
Going.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right. Give him a big hand, everybody. All right. There's milk in front of you. You can share it with that.
Take the gloves off.
Okay, who's our counter here? Gloves on. You're
Let him get another milk.
I can't touch him.
Yeah, I couldn't count. I don't think I'd be going as
I want to thank everybody for all of our contestants here. Let's give them a big hand.
I need a gallon of milk. I really
How many
would.
we have over here?
There's more milk, too.
That was fun.
8. We have 8 over here. Good, great job. Your name? Dustin. Let's hear it for Dustin.
Good job.
All right, you want your flag back? You 3? We've got 3 over here. The first one, that first minute's a killer. And your name, sir? Lightweight. Lightweight. Contestant number 2. How are we over here? Did you count these? Wow. Looks like 12. It's 12. And your name, sir? Michael? Eric. Eric with 12 down. Great job. So here's first place so far over here goes to Eric. We have 1, 2, 3, 4.5. And your name, sir? Chad. How was the experience, Chad? It's all right. Okay. All
I
right.
say hot.
Uh-oh.
No, but he's going for
More
more.
milk.
Thought we lost one.
No, we're not going to the river.
How are we doing over here? What's the count? 10. All right, so we have 12, 10. It looks like first, second. And your name, sir? Jesus with 10 down. Good job. All right. And 11. All right, and your name, young man?
12, 11, 10. That was close,
Right,
wasn't it?
yeah, I have to make you talk. I knew your name,
So
but I
he-
just want
this
to
is
make
one
sure you're all
getting
right.
there.
So,
Like third
Ryan
place?
with 11. So, looks like we have our first, second, and third place. Eric in first place with 12 members down. Give him a big hand. Hey, Zeus with 10, so we got third place. And 11? No. 11? Oh, I thought we had a tie. We were going to have a... Okay. All right.
For 11 milk.
You all.
So, congratulations. Everyone's a winner. And because we really enjoyed the show. So thanks a lot for participating. Enjoy your milk. We have some extra if you like it. And thanks everyone for joining us.